Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is day 3 of our Switzerland trip, and we are heading to the stunning Mount Titlis. To be honest, it was a very long and tiring day. Early this morning, we checked out of our hotel in Zurich, took a train to Bern, and dropped off our bag at Novotel Bern Expo before heading out for this big adventure. We are standing at the tram stop of tram line 9, which is just outside our hotel. We caught the 10 a.m. SBB IR15 train to Lucerne. It takes exactly 1 hour and it is quickest among all. This 1 hour train ride from Bern to Lucerne on the IR15 is pure magic. This 60-minute pass in a flash and you step right into the heart of Switzerland. Then we boarded the early Zentralbahn train at Lucerne station for Engelberg. It is a 45-minute scenic ride through the stunning Swiss landscapes. It will take another 20 minutes to reach Engelberg station. We have now arrived at Engelberg station. We will now catch a local shuttle bus to the Titlis Valley station where we will board the cable car up to Mount Titlis. Cable cars from Engelberg up to Mount Titlis are only 50% discounted and not fully covered under Swiss Travel Pass. The 50% discounted return journey from Engelberg to Mount Titlis, including the ice flyer chairlift, amounts to CHF 63, which comes to INR 7,500 per head. We see the village of Engelberg down below as we ride the cable car up to Mount Titlis. the iconic sound of cowbells echoes across Swiss alpine pastures where cattle graze freely during summer months. This cable car journey from Engelberg Valley Station to the summit of Mount Titlis takes about 25 minutes. We have now boarded the Titlis Rotair, the world's first 360-degree revolving cable car heading to the top of Mount Titlis. This Titlis Rotair cable car accommodates approximately 60 passengers per trip for its 5-minute ascent from the stand station to the Mount Titlis at 3020 meters. From the top of Mount Titlis, we see 360-degree panorama of Uri Alps, a vast ocean of snowy peaks stretching across central Switzerland. The Titlis Cliff Walk is recognized as one of Europe's highest suspension bridges, hanging 500 meters off the ground. It is a tightrope walk over the edge of the world, and it is the most beautiful and scary nightmare I have ever experienced. I thought I would be terrified on an open chairlift at 3000 meter, but believe me, it's so smooth. You really do feel like you are flying, just gliding over millions of years of ice. Guys, we are literally running to Engelberg station to catch 3 p.m. train to Lucerne. It's already 2:50 p.m. now. Today we traveled for nearly 7 hours, going from Zurich to Bern, Bern to Lucerne, Lucerne to Engelberg, and then returning back to Bern. It was about 6 hour train journey, followed by a beautiful 1 hour round trip cable car ride. But believe me, seeing Mount Titlis and Engelberg made every single minute completely worth it. Because we had such a hectic travel day, we ate snacks like theplas and pickle, cheese sandwich, and few dry fruit laddus during our train journey. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will see you all in my next video. Good night.